Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment on three-phase induction motor. The title of our experiment is to control the speed of given three-phase induction motor using three-phase autotransformer. Therefore, in order to control the speed of given three-phase induction motor, we basically require 3 HP 4.7 ampere 1400 rpm B class 415 volt 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor. This is our 3 HP given squirrel cage induction motor. Secondly, we require 3-phase variac of suitable value. This is our 3-phase variac. It is also called as 3-phase autotransformer. Using the rotary arm of 3-phase autotransformer, we can increase or decrease the value of input supply voltage to the motor terminal. Therefore, here we all can see given 3-phase autotransformer having a rotary dial ranges between 0 to 100%. Third one, we require 0 to 500 volt AC voltmeter in order to measure the value of input supply voltage applied across motor terminals. Last but not the least, we require contact type tachometer in order to measure the value of speed under different supply voltage conditions. To control the speed of given 3 HP squirrel cage induction motor using 3-phase autotransformer, I am going to set the value of input supply voltage such that we can measure the value of speed for different input supply voltage. Here we all can see, with the use of 3-phase autotransformer, I am here going to set the value of input supply voltage to 360 volt. Therefore, with the use of 3-phase autotransformer, here I have set the value of input supply voltage to 360 volt. Therefore, for input supply voltage of 360 volt, the speed of machine is 1430 rpm. Now I am going to increase the voltage, that is input supply voltage, to 380 volt using 3-phase autotransformer. Therefore, with the use of 3-phase autotransformer, here I have set the value of input supply voltage to 380 volt. Therefore, for 380 volt input supply voltage using 3-phase autotransformer, the speed value is 1476 rpm. Now again I am going to increase the value of input supply voltage using 3-phase variac or autotransformer to 400 volt. For 400 volt input supply voltage, the speed of given 3-phase 3 HP squirrel cage induction motor is 1480 rpm. The conclusion is that with the use of three-phase auto transformer, if we increase the value of input supply voltage, then the speed of given three-phase 3 HP motor also gets increased.